Chris Pabasad, and today I'm here to deliver a speech on the importance of independence. Independence is something which everyone wants, which everyone needs, and which everyone will probably fight for. Independence is very important for everyone. In fact, it is the most important part of our life. Without it, you are surviving but not living your life to its fullest. This is the modern age, and you need to be independent in order to make yourself a good decision maker. Being dependent on others is not what you need. You need to be independent and stand for yourself. When I was a little girl, my father always used to say, and he does right now also, that a Nepali woman, when she's young, she's dependent on her father. After marriage or when she's married, she's dependent on her husband. And when she turns old, she's dependent on her son. And I don't want you to be like that. I want you to stand for yourself to reach the way of success. And the only way you can do it is if you are educated. That much educated that you can stand for yourself and stand on your own 2 feet. I am very much lucky to have parents like this. But still there are some people who don't have independence. The freedom to do what they want, the freedom to choose their desires, their goals, the freedom to share their opinions, their point of views in front of everyone. I want to tell them that be independent. We must dare to be independent. No matter who your mother, father, sister, brother, no matter how rich you are, no matter how poor you are, you must be independent. You must be responsible for your finances and be financially independent. You must know what you are doing, whether right or wrong. You must be able to differentiate between two. Good or bad, you must know it yourself. Because here, no one is going to stand for you. You have to stand for yourself. Now, the last thing I want to say and end my speech with is, if Bill Gates can become the richest man of the world, if Shah Rukh Khan and average-looking actors like him can be one of the best Bollywood actors, and if a tea maker can also be a prime minister of the country, India, then obviously you can also achieve your dreams and be independent financially as well as emotionally. Thank you.